So, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And I will do a blog tour and tutorial so you will get to know our blog. And you can check this out from time to time since I'm not active on Facebook and my Facebook is so much loaded on posts. Anyways, you can see on my welcome screen or homepage. Please subscribe and watch me on YouTube. Then you can click on watch us now and it will redirect you to our YouTube channel and you can watch my videos. What else? The welcome screen. I have the link on my Patreon. You can give us a support or donations if you would like. That is not mandatory. And the link to my channel and you can check this latest updates and posts so you can check my latest blogs and you can click the older posts for other updates and then you can check these earthquake forecast and warning earthquakes analysis and warnings and what else earth disturbances that I keep on updating space weather total electron map and there you go and sun and cosmic rays updates. So that is the same solar activity, earth disturbances, so science news and research. So what is the latest happenings or discoveries worldwide, earthquakes and volcano updates. I have not yet updated it, but soon you will see something here and then you can click on YouTube live and video updates and it will also redirect you to my YouTube channel. So you can visit this from time to time. So you may just type earthquakes and weather forecasting.home.blog and it will now redirect you on our blog and you can check back everything. Alright, thank you for watching and click subscribe and click on the bell so you will get notified whenever I uploaded videos or go live. Thank you and goodbye.